Okay, campers, it's time to make some preparations to set up our you win and you lose conditions. Now, to set that up, we need some UIs. We need a you win, something that will pop up on the screen that says you win in case the player is the last one alive. And then we also need the you lose in case the player gets, destroyed early. Okay, and it's fairly easy to do. Now, I'm going to go into my UI here, and I'm just going to go into my gameplay. I'm going to right-click, and just like always, let's see if I can't get this to pop up inside our view. And you might not be able to get it to pop inside your view, but I'm going to go to UI, and then you can't see it. It's out of view, but it's widget blueprint. So I click on that, and I'm just going to call this the you win widget blueprint. Double click to open that up and dock it if you need to. And this is just going to be fairly easy to do. I'm just going to come in here into common and get a text thing right here. And we'll just stretch this out pretty big. Move this down here. And inside here, I'm just going to go ahead and say you win. There we go, exclamation. And you can do it as big as you want. We can just anchor it right to the, we'll say bottom middle. There we go. And I'm just going to come down here to the appearance of my font. You can change the color of it if you want. It's up to you. Font family, I think, yeah, there's not many font families in there that we can choose from. So I'm just going to leave that one. I'm going to leave it as bold. Let's go ahead and make it bigger. I can make it something like 100. Let's see what that does. Oh, I want to make it bigger than that. Let's say 150. There we go. And I also want to center it. And that's pretty big. I mean, that's pretty good. I just need something to show that my player has won. And it just pops up on the screen. There we go. I'm just going to compile. I'm going to save. And now watch this. I'm just going to come over here. And to make a you lose, it's even easier, actually. I'm just going to right-click here and say duplicate, which is also Control-W as the shortcut. So duplicate. And I'm just going to call this one you lose or game over. It's up to you what you want to do. Maybe game over is better than you lose. Game over. There we go. Just like that. And now I'm going to double-click that and dock it. And now I can just come right here and change in the content, in details and content. I'm just going to change this to game over. Game over. Just like that. Game over. Okay. And it's all the same. Everything is the same. I've just created two UIs that I can use for when my player wins or for when my players get destroyed and they lose. So I'm going to compile. I'm going to save. And that's all I have to do. So go ahead. I want you to create your you win and your game over UIs. Don't forget to save. You can even go up to game map, file, save all. And I'll see you in just a little bit for the you win, you lose conditions. And that's a little bit more involved. All right, I'll see you in just a second.